I was welcomed very warmly by your lecturers, professors, and I felt a kind of very positive vibes. I felt very positive vibes. The way they speak, the way they interacted, and the kind of pleasant smile they have, and with very short period of interaction, I came to know that what sort of high level knowledge they have and what kind of care they have for their students. So I believe that you are in good hands. But since I'm here, I will try to justify my presence. And today I'm going to talk about upskilling. So before upskilling, let us talk about what is skilling or what is skill. Any idea? In simple words you can express it. In Kannada, if you can express that is fine. What is a skill? Anybody can tell? What is a skill? No need to be going through the books and you come up with that bookish knowledge. What you feel, what you have seen around, you can tell. What is a skill? Anybody? Yes, madam. You want to tell something? No. So simply, if I put it, skill is what you are good at. You've got to be good at something. That is a skill. Be it communication, be it mathematics, be in the tourism industry, being a sports person. You've got to acquire certain skills, right? You all are final year students, huh? Yes, sir. So here's the catch for you. After completion of your graduation, what are you going to do? Whether you are seeking employment or you want to become you want to become entrepreneur, you want to go for a wage employment, you want to become entrepreneur, or you want to become a self-employed. For everything, you need to acquire certain skills, right? Let us talk about a simple thing like you all have seen tea vendor, tea shop. They prepare tea, sell it to the customers, 10 rupee, some of them 20 rupee, and in airports you will find 50 rupee. Starbucks, you will go, it will be like exorbitant amount of rate that you will get. So, do you think that for selling a cup of tea, it doesn't require any skill? To prepare a cup of tea, it doesn't require any skill. It requires a skill, right? ಟೀ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ ಬೇಕು, ರೈಟ್? If you new tea prepare ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ just like milk, water, ginger, sugar, you put all the ingredients at once. What will be the outcome? Maybe it will not taste good, right? But if you prepare tea, like first you put the water, let it boil for some time, then you put milk, then you put ginger, and then you put tea. It will taste differently, right? So it requires a certain skill. And even if you want to sell, that tea, it requires a skill. Maybe for tea shop, you will not come across like you need a very high amount of marketing skill, but it requires a skill. Now, let us talk about in general that after certification, after your graduation, what kind of skill do you need if you want to go into the job industry? Let us do one small exercise. I request all of you to close your eyes. Just close your eyes and put your hands down. Don't touch the table. Put your hands down. Just close your eyes. Close your eyes, madam. Close your eyes. Now, what I want you to do is just imagine your life as vividly as possible. After 1 year, after 3 years, and after 5 years, what kind of life you are living? Just imagine. After 1 year, after 3 years, after 5 years. Keep imagining until I say. You can imagine what kind of life you are living. You can imagine what kind of job you are doing. And you can imagine what sort of people you are around. You can imagine your lifestyle. After 1 year, 3 years, and 5 years. Okay, shall we start? Okay. Now I believe that you all have imagined your life after 1 year, 3 years, and 5 years. And I also believe that you have seen yourself, what kind of goal you have, what kind of dream you have, whether you have achieved in that 1 year period, that 3 year period, that 5 year period, and if you have achieved, what kind of life you are living. So let us say what you have imagined. Anybody would like to tell voluntarily? ಯಾರಿಗೆ ವಾಲಂಟರಿಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ? Anybody would like to tell? Otherwise, I will pick somebody. Yes, sir. Please. No, you only. Yes. ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿ ಈ ತರ ಲೈಫ್ ನೀವು ಇಮೇಜಿನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 1 year, 3 years, and 5 years ನಂತರ.
Sir, after 1 year, I'm struggling for job.
You are struggling for job.
Yes.
After 1 year.
Yes.
Means after your graduation, you are struggling for job.
Yes.
Okay. What kind of job you are struggling for?
ಅಪ್ಪ ನೀ ಕನ್ನಡ ಮಾತಾಡಿ ತಿಳ್ತಾರೆ ಕಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟು
Okay. Yes. ನೀವು what kind of job ನೀವು search ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ?
Software job.
Software developer. You are computer science student, huh?
No, art student.
Arts student. But you are interested in?
Software.
Okay. So software developer.
Yes.
But it is completely different from your stream, right?
Yes, sir.
You have studied Bachelor of Arts, but you want to go in the software field, sir. So you have to struggle. But what you have to do for that?
Coaching always.
Coaching. Okay. This is 1 year. You are still struggling. Okay. After 3 years, sir, in the next 3 years, what you have written?
Next 3 years, ನಾ ಒಂದು ಯಾವುದೊಂದು ಸಣ್ಣ ಜಾಬ್ ನನಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ. ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಜಾಬ್. I got small job, sir.
Small job.
Yes.
New small job. Okay. Small job related to
Software.
software only. Whether have you seen where which company you are working in, like TCS, Wipro, or any other Deloitte?
No, sir.
No. You should imagine. Okay. What about after 5 years, sir?
Sir, ನಾವು ಯಾವುದೊಂದು ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ಗೆ
Manager.
apply.
Okay.
Yes.
So ultimately you have struggled for 3 years, sir, but in the 5 years, in the 5th year, you have become a manager.
Yes.
And you have settled,
Yes, sir.
right? Now you are living a good life after 5 years, sir. Okay. What is your name?
Krishna.
Krishna. Can we have a clap for Krishna? Please do it. So this is called a visualization process. I don't know many of you